Hello, welcome to our series of lesson ideas for music educators. Learn how to make the most out of Flat 4 education to create engaging lessons. If you haven't tried Flat 4 education yet, what are you waiting for? Unlock your education superpower by signing up now and get a 3-month free trial. In this video, we'll share some advanced composition assignments you can do with your students. Did you watch our last video about beginner composition assignments? Hey, now that we are here, what if you subscribe to our channel? You'll show us your support while getting great content. Minuet Mozart-inspired piece. Mozart wrote his first piece ever when he was only 5 years old, and it was a delicate and harmonious minuet. A minuet is a dance in 3 beats to a bar. All you need to do for this assignment is to create a template of a minuet. Then, create a composition assignment using this template. Lock it and ask your students to fill in the missing parts. Vivaldi-inspired composition. For this example, we'll be looking at the composer Antonio Vivaldi and his composition The Four Seasons. Discuss this piece with your students and then ask them to compose their own versions. Create a template of the 4 seasons section you are interested in. Divide your class into 4 groups, 1 for each season, and ask them to compose or arrange a season, working collaboratively on their Flat 4 education assignments. And to finish, discuss the outcomes with your students. Compose the music for a video. This last exercise idea we want to mention is really aimed at unleashing your students' creativity, making them understand the importance of music and how it can change the perception and feelings of a TV show or a movie. Create a blank score composition assignment and link any video or animation in the details section. Ask your students to create music that accompanies the scenes in the video. Ask them to try changing the mood of the music in response to each new event that happens. The music has to be as long as the video, but other than that, there are no rules. Once your students have submitted their compositions, make sure to discuss them in class and compare the outcomes. This is all for now. Do you have any other fun assignment ideas you'd like to share with us? Comment below. Don't forget to subscribe and let us know if you have any questions. Bye!